Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Ford Ranger XL single cab ute, stock reference number 4881. This shape runs from the 6 month 2011 through to the 6 month 2015. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear wheel drive transmission. P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Flexiglass canopy supplied with all bolts, brackets and everything to fit to your vehicle. No keys. Tailgate has one small dent. Tidy rear bumper. Factory tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door has a very small fold on the front edge, still may be usable. Right power door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch, 2-switch type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and a tidy 4-spoke steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.